If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 gold pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by Wior. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by SwitchMe. Number 3, by Vigoroso. For more details about this great gold pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4, by Mother. Number 5, by BoShiYa. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Mother. Number 7, by SwitchMe. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Bling Jewelry. Number 9, by SwitchMe. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by BoShiYa.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.